Hirap bang umihi ang pusa mo? Baka may UTI na yan. Hi guys, Doc Ara here. Here are signs or possibly may UTI na ang pusa nyo. First is frequent urination. As in, pabalik-balik siya sa cat litter, tapos pasaglit-saglit lang, tapos hindi siya makapakali. Second is straining to urine. Yung parang hirap siyang umihi. May gusto siyang ilabas pero walang lumalabas. Napansin nyo na medyo pinkish na yung kulay ng wiwi nila or kaya may blood. This is an emergency na talaga kailangan sila isugod sa vet. Urinating outside the litter box. Hindi po common ito, lalo na kung litter trained ang inyong mga cats. Pwede rin magkaroon ng paghina ng kain, pagtamlay. Pwede rin magkaroon ng excessive licking or paglinis ng genital area kasi nga mahapde, hindi makawiwi. So, dinidilaan nila ito. So, ano dapat gawin kapag ganon? Of course, go to your vet, have your cat check. Kasi minsan iba kapag malala na yung case, kailangan na ito i-catheter para lumabas na yung wiwi. Follow nyo rin yung prescription medication na ibibigay ng vet nyo and prescription diets as well. For example, if naka-recover na ang cat nyo and for maintenance na rin talaga sila when it comes to food, hydration, you could actually opt for a food na can prevent this to happen. Like for example, yung Muchi Cat Urinary Care. Since it has D-L-methionine para ma-maintain ang normal urine pH, cranberry extracts to prevent inflammation, chicken with good source of protein, and prebiotics for digestive support. And another factor, mas malaki actually yung chances na kaya nagkakaganto yung mga cats UTI and whatnot is due to stress. Environmental stress, lalo na if very sheltered ito, malaking factor na pwede matrigger ito ulit. And if you have other concerns regarding your cat's urinary health, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.